Hey, before you do anything today, you already looked at one.
Maybe in the bathroom, maybe on your phone screen, maybe in a shop window.
You looked at yourself, and you didn't even think twice about it. But have you ever stopped and asked, what is that thing actually?
Like, why does it show you back to you?
Today, we're going to answer that. And trust me, it's way more interesting than you'd expect. Okay, so at its simplest, a mirror is just a surface that reflects light.
But not just any surface. It has to reflect light in a very specific, organized way.
Think of it like this. When light hits a rough wall, it scatters everywhere.
But when light hits a smooth, polished surface, it bounces back in one clean direction.
And that clean bounce is what creates an image, a reflection. So basically, a mirror is a polished surface that bounces light back so perfectly, it shows you a copy of what's in front of it. Now here's the cool part. A mirror isn't just glass. A typical mirror has a thin layer of metal on the back, usually aluminum or silver.
That metal is incredibly smooth, smoother than anything you can imagine.
Light enters through the glass, hits that metal layer, and bounces straight back.
Your eyes receive that bounced light,
and your brain turns it into an image of you. It's basically physics. Light following rules, doing what it always does.
Now, not all mirrors look the same or work the same way.
The most common one, the flat mirror, shows you a perfect life-sized reflection. Then there's the concave mirror, curved inward, which can make things look bigger. You've seen this one. It's the makeup mirror, or the dentist's tiny mirror. Then there's the convex mirror, curved outward, which makes things look smaller but shows a wider view.
That's the mirror on your car's side door, the one that says objects may be closer than they appear.
So mirrors come in shapes, and each shape does something different with your reflection.
Here's something wild. Humans have been obsessed with mirrors for thousands of years.
The first mirrors weren't glass at all. They were polished stones and metal discs. Ancient Egyptians used polished copper over 3,000 years ago. Glass mirrors came around the 1st century AD. The Romans figured it out first. But the really clear, accurate mirrors we know today, those came from Venice, Italy in the 1600s.
Back then, mirrors were so expensive, only kings and queens could afford them.
Today, mirrors are literally everywhere, and most of them you don't even notice. Telescopes use mirrors to collect starlight from billions of miles away. Lasers use tiny mirrors to aim beams with incredible precision. Solar power plants use giant mirrors to focus sunlight and generate electricity.
Your smartphone camera has tiny mirror-like prisms inside it too.
Even your eye, the lens inside it works on mirror-like principles to focus light. So the next time you stand in front of a mirror, just take 1 second.
Think about this. That image isn't really you.
It's light, bouncing, reflecting, tricking your brain into thinking you see yourself. Also, the mirror shows your face flipped left to right. So nobody in the world has ever seen your face the exact way other people see it.
Pretty mind-blowing, right?
A mirror is just light, glass, and a thin coat of metal. But it changed how humanity sees itself forever. If you enjoyed that, subscribe because we do this for everything around you.